Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Now we will complete to solve this problem. Now 31. 3.33 is greater than what? To know how to find who numbers is greater than 3.33. So we convert to fraction to write it. We rewrite again the number by fraction. Then we compare the number. Okay, now here, look here. Now he said 3.33 is greater than what? You can convert from A, C, B, D to decimal number, or you can put this for fraction. We have three integers and 33 over 100. But here over 1,000. We multiply by 10 and here by 10. Now we compare. It's very easy. Now we want 333, say 330. Which number is less than this? It is what? It's D.
D.
Because this 299, this 330. So the answer is D. Clear? Okay, number 40. Yalla with Abdul Muhsin. Abdul Muhsin, read question number 40 if you can.
Okay. The number of visitors to an exhibition is 3 times more each day than the previous one. If the number of visitors on Saturday was 100, then how many are on Monday?
Yes, the number of visits is 3 times more each day. So, and then the previous one. If the number of visitors on Saturday, so we write it in Saturday, was 100. This 100. Said visitor 3 times. So you multiply by 3. So you multiply by 3. Then you get on Sunday. What is it? 3 times 100 is it? What? 300. Now ask me how many are on Monday. So Monday, we multiply also by 3. So will be 900. So the answer is A. Clear, my student?
Clear.
Right, good. Okay, now here, problems half divided by 8. So we both have 1 over 2. Then you flip the fraction. Multiply by 8 over 1. Because we convert division to multiplication. Then simplify. 2 divided by 2 is 1, by 2 is 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. So the answer is 4. Clear? It's easy, I think, right? Good. Okay, 42. If 4 to the power b is greater than 16 to the power a, and 5 to the power a greater than 25 to the power c, which statement is true? First, we find b. We cancel the basic. So here 4, 16 will be 4 to the power b greater than 16 will be 4 to the power 2a. Right? This 4 and 4. We cancel 4 with 4. So b is greater than 2a. Okay, the next inequality. 5 to the power a greater than Here it's A. Yeah. So and 25, so will be 5 to the power 2C. We cancel 5 with 5. So A greater than 2C. So look, which one is greater than? I think is B, is the biggest value, because B greater than to A and A greater than to C. So B will be the greatest, then A, then the last one is C. Which answer, my student, here? It's A. Clear? Online student, clear?
So we need them to have the same base, the numbers.
Yeah, because the same base to cancel out.
Mhm.
4, this 16 is 4 to the power 28. Here 5, put 5 to the power A, and 25 will be 5 to the power 2C to cancel, right? Okay,
Right.
43, it's very easy. This we have double power, so 4 to the power negative 2 to the power negative 1. What is the rule? The rule is product. You
It's going to
multiply.
be positive 2, which is
Yes,
16.
right. You multiply negative 2 times negative 1. So 4 to the power 2 equals 16. So the answer is 16. Clear, my student?
Yes, clear.
Right, good. Okay, now with Hassan Mustafa, 44, please, Hassan. Read the question.
720 riyals were distributed over Ahmed and Ali. If Ali took 1/4 of the amount of the money, then how much did Ahmed take?
Yes. The total is 720 riyals distributed over Ahmed and Ali. Ali took 1/4. So Ali, 1/4 of 720. This for Ahmed, for Ali. So when you divide it, you get it. But maybe no need, because not ask me about Ali. The amount of the money, then how much did Ahmed? So Ahmed will be take, what is the left fraction, the remainder? Because
3 over 4.
yes, 3 over 4, correct. You multiply by 720. Okay, when you divide it by 4, so here simplify by 4 is 1, by 4 here is 18, and we have 0. So then you multiply, you put 0, 3 times 8 equals 24. So 3 times 1 and with 2 is 5. So 540. So the answer is what? 5
A.
is A. Clear, my student? Okay, you can also, you have another way. You can solve this problem by 2 steps. The first steps, you find the amount for Ali.
Can I say it?
Yeah, you can. Okay, continue. You can say.
First, we find the amount of Ali, and
Yeah.
then we minus that from 720.
Then yes, you subtract. Yeah, well, 1/4 times 720 is 180. Then you subtract from the total, so you get it. 720 minus 180 then you get the same answer. But this here we have one step to find the fraction, the real fraction for Ahmed. Then you multiply, you get it. Okay, now Siam, can you solve this problem, Siam?
3.94 times 7.89. How do we do this?
Yes, how? Here only if you multiply by normal way, you will be take long time. Look, when you multiply by normal way, take, because this 3-digit times 3-digit. But what will I do? We counted the digits. What is it here? Here 2 digits and 2 digits. So the comma will be after 4 digits. The decimals are after 4 digits. So A, we cancel.
So it's B.
C is wrong. And B or D?
B.
Yeah, it's B. Why? Because these next 4 times this close to 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. So the answer is near 31. So the answer is B. Is it easy this way? Do you understand, my student?
Yes.
Right. No need to multiply by normal. In GAT, you should be use your mind how to find the answer by a short way. Okay. Now 45. Okay, can you help me, Siam, to solve this? If you want to write, I am happy. If you can. Okay.
45.
Yes, 45.
Okay. So first of all, 1 plus half. I can't write for some reason.
Yeah, here we have division.
I can't write on the board.
Ah, you can? Oh, okay.
No.
I'll give you a pen. Okay. Now I think you can.
Yeah, I can. Should I add 1.5 first?
Oh my God, no. You know BIMDAS? BIMDAS?
Yeah.
BIMDAS, we have many steps. The first step, use parentheses, right? Second step, use power. Then the third step is multiplication and division. The last one is add and negative. This BIM does.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you said 1 plus half.
Oh, that's division. I thought it's one. I thought it's half plus 1/4.
Yeah.
I didn't see.
So,
I thought it was plus half.
you start with division first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try now to find the answer.
So do half divided by 1/4.
Yes.
Which is, I honestly forgot. Well, should we flip? Should we do the flip? Or no need?
Yeah, flip. Okay, if you convert division, yeah, you should be click.
Okay, so I can.
Flip the fraction.
So I'll make it multiplication and then 4/1. And then just multiply. It's the same. It's 4. It's 1/2.
Yeah, 4/2 equal what?
1/2.
No, it's
I mean, 2. Sorry, 2.
two. Okay, where is your mind? Yes, yeah. Think, right?
So,
So
and then 2 plus 1.
1 plus,
That's 3.
yes, half
Yeah.
times 4/1. We can simplify 2 with 4 is 2. Then 1 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 3. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, Siam. Continue also. Read the question. Try it.
A wire length is 24 meters, was divided into two parts. The first part equals 1/3 of the other. What is the length of the smallest part?
Yes. Okay, I will explain this question then to understand the meaning. We have wires 24 meters. We divide it into bars. The first part equals 1/3. So this take 1/3. The second part will be what? 2/3. Said now, what is the length of the smallest bar?
So the first part.
Yeah, what I will do? 24.
24 times 1/3.
Yes, equals what?
8.
Equals 8, correct. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, continue بعد. يلا يا صيام. Number 11.
1 second. There are 90 people. Among every 15 apples, there are 11 good ones. Find the number of the rotten ones. What?
Yeah, there are 90 apples. Among every 15 apples, there are 11 good ones. And the rotten ones or bad is equals what? 15 minus 11, we have 4.
4.
Each, every 15 apples, we have 4 bad apple or rotten ones. Now we have how many 15s I have? Here, how many 15s? So you can divide it, or you can add 15 plus 15 plus 15 in 90.
6. 90 divided 15, 6.
Yes, you divide it by 15
So
equals 6.
4 times 6,
Yes,
which is 24.
4 times 6 equals 24. Correct. Good job, yeah. Sia. Clear? Right,
Yes,
46.
yes,
Now, 10,000 minus 1,000 minus 100 minus 10 minus 1. We subtract. 10,000 minus 1,000 equals 9,000.
9,000.
Minus 100, if you put minus 100, it will be 8,900. Minus
I think
10,
it's B.
so will be 8,000, and here 900 to minus 10 equals 8,000. So 900, it will be what? 890.
Right.
Minus 1, so will be 8,889. So the answer is
A.
It's A, correct. Good. This is the first way. The second way, you subtract first. You added the negative values. So we have 10,000 minus 1,000, 100, 10, 1. So 1,000, 100, 10, 1. You subtract. So you borrow from the 10. So this will be 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we get it the same answer. Clear, online student?
Why did we only take the first digit of each number?
Yeah, because we borrow from 0 minus 1, I can't to do it. And you take 1 from 10. If you take 1, then this will become 10. Then you take 1 for the right 0. You cancel this, then become 9 and this 10. Then you borrow from 10, so will be 9 and this will be 10. Clear? I
Yes.
think this in grade 2. Clear, my student? Okay,
Yes.
now with Yasmin. Yasmin.
Okay. A person, wait, try 12. A person has 2,600 reals, 100 notes, and 500 notes, and the total number of notes is 10. How many 100 notes does he have?
Yes. We have a person has 2,600 riyal, 100 notes, and 500, right? So we have 100 notes and 500. Okay. And the
I
total
think he only has 100 notes.
100 notes? No, I said 100 notes and 500.
Yeah.
The name. And here, if notes is 10, the
Oh,
total is 10. Now, how many 100 notes does he have? 100. Ask about 100. Okay? We try now. The answer in the option here,
does he have 6? Because
yeah,
if we take 4 500 notes, that's 2,000, and then 600 notes, that's 600. So
yes,
it's
correct. Good
600.
job. Here we try. If we suppose that 100 notes is 6 number. So we multiply 6 times 100 equals 600. What is the remainder of the 6? Because we have 10. We have 4. 4 times 500, we get 2,000. So we get the same answer, the same amount. So the answer is A, 6. Online student, is it clear? Or do you want to repeat? You can use math also if you want. If you want, you can use math, but I think it's this easier. Do you want to solve by math? On my student, or clear this way?
No, it's clear.
Clear? Right, good.
Yeah.
Okay, yalla, 47, yalla ya Yasmin.
Okay. 9 to the power 7 minus 9 to the power 5 over 9 to the power 4 minus 9 to the power of 3.
Can I simplify between 9 to the power 7 with 9 to the power 4? Say no, I can't. Why? Because there is subtraction or addition. If there is addition or subtractions between numbers, I can't simplify. So what will I do? You take common factor, the least common factor. What is the least common factor here? 9 to the power 7, 9 to the power 5. You take 9 to the power 5. What is the remainder will be here? So will be 9 to the power 2 minus, and what is the remainder will be here? It will be 1. Also here, you take common factor. Then what is the remainder? Will be 9 minus 1. Because if subtract 3 minus 3 will be 9 to the power 0. 9 to the power 0 is 1. Now we can simplify. 9 to the power 5 with 9 to the power 3, you subtract the exponent. So 5 minus 3 is 9 to the power 2. 9 to the power 2 is 81, minus 1 is 80, over 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9 to the power 2 is 81. 80 divided by 8 equals 10. So the answer is 810. Is it? This problem is very important because this problem come in the GAT. It's very important. Do you understand?
Can you repeat again?
Yes, I will. I am happy to repeat for you. I want to understand everything, my student. Okay, now again. Look here, my student. If we have like this problem, 9 to the power 7 minus 9 to the power 5 over 9 to the power 4, 9 to the power 3. I can't simplify. So what will I do? I will take common factor. What is the common factor? So the least exponent. So will be 9 to the power 2. What is it? What is the remainder? Oh, not 2, 5.
5. Yeah.
Yes, 5. Then you subtract 7 minus 5 is 9 to the power 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 to the power 0 equals 1. Over.
But where does the 1 come from?
Yeah, because when you divided 9 divided by 9 to the power 5, you subtract the exponent. 9 to the power 0 equals 1. Because no remainder here. When you take 5, so will be 0. Right? 9 to
I didn't understand.
Yeah, do you understand?
No.
Yeah, okay, now, if you divided 9 to the power 5 divided by 9 to the power 5 equals what?
9 to the power of 0.
Yeah, 9 to the power 0 equals what?
1.
1, because this number, the same number, when you divided 5 equals 1.
Yeah,
8
but where did you get
5,
the 5 from?
yeah. What does it mean, common factor? That's division, divided. Now, if you take, look here.
Oh, okay. I understood.
Okay, good. Again, if you now, it's 9 to the power 7, we take 9 to the power 5. That's mean you divide it, then you subtract the exponent, so will be 9 to the power 2. Clear? Clear now?
Yes. Yeah, I understood, yeah.
Okay, now here. Also, we will take this common factor, the least exponent. What is it? It's 9 to the
3.
power
9 to the power of 3. Bracket 9 minus 1.
minus 1, correct. And here also we can simplify between 9 to the power, look, this together, because
9
this,
to the power of 2.
yes, correct, good. So
What about the brackets?
to the power 2. And in the brackets here is 81 minus 1, so time 80. And 9 minus 1 is 8. We simplify, so equals 9 to the power 2 is 81 times 10 So the answer is 810. Clear now, my student?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Could be practice. Okay. 48. Yalla, the last question for you, Yasmin. 48.
Okay. If we want to distribute 65 books for 12 students, how many books were left?
Yeah. How many bucks were left?
We gotta find the closest
Yeah, we
multiple,
divided.
so
Or you can add 12 plus 12 plus 12 until close to 65. Or you use a long division.
so if we do 12 times 5, that
Yes,
equals 60.
5
And
times
then,
12 is 60. Then
yeah, and there's 5.
the remainder is 5. Correct. Good job. Because 12, Yasmin said, 12 times 5 equals 60. Then you can subtract 65 minus 60, you get 5. The remainder is 5. So books were left is 5. Okay, last one for you. Continue.
The difference between a number and a square equals 72. What is the number?
Yes, we assume said
Um,
and it's square. Square, so that's mean x square. The difference and it's x equals 72.
I think it's 9, because 9 squared is 81, and the difference between 9 and 81 is 72.
Correct, good job. Because here x square we here apply try from the options. So 9 times 9 is 72 minus now. Oh, sorry, not 72. Is 81. So 81 minus 9 is 72. Correct. So the answer is A. Thank you, Yasmin. Okay, now with Abdul Muhsin, we go back. 49, Abdul Muhsin.
Okay. What is the value of number 5 in the number two, 2065 million? Is it B because it's
Yeah, you said, yeah. What is the value of number 5? Look, this 5. Here said 2065 million. So 5 will be 5 million. Right, correct. Good.
yeah,
Okay. Yalla, try back. 50.
50? Saleh needs 8.5 minutes to reach the mosque to pray. How many minutes does Saleh spend back and forth per day? Okay, so 8.5 to go there and 8.5 to go back.
Yeah.
And he goes to it 5 times a day.
Yeah,
So you do
8.5.
times 2 times 5.
How many minutes does Saleh spend back and front per day? So how many here we have back 5 times, right?
Yes.
Because yeah, we have a 5 prior, right? 5 prior. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Isha, Maghrib. 5 prior.
Yeah, well,
5 priors go. So we have 5 times. And 5 back. So 5 times. Time with 8.5. So 10 times 8.5 equals 85. So the answer is 85 minutes.
okay. Yeah,
Clear?
85.
Mahsen, did you get it?
Clear, clear.
Right, yalla, 51.
A man gave an amount of money to his 9 children without a remainder. So what was the original amount?
Give an
You have to use the divisibility rules.
Yeah, what he said.
حق 9, it has to be divisible by 3, and also so you have to add the total and then see if it's divisible by
Yes,
3.
we add the digits. First one plus 1 plus 0 plus 7 equals 9.
So yeah, it's A.
So the answer is A.
Okay.
يا سلام عليك ممتاز. يلا try it بعد. 14.
14. Okay. What is the remainder when dividing 357 by 5? So it's 2.
Yes, correct. How? You get it too. Direct.
Because 355 is divisible by 5, and then the remainder would be 2 left over.
Yes, we said yesterday, because yesterday you absent. So here, if the ones is greater than 5, we subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. This is the remainder. No need to divide. So look the last number. If the number is greater than 5, you subtract. If the number less than 5, so will be the same number. So it's 2, because 7 minus 5 is 2. Right, correct.
Okay.
Good job يا خنيزي. ممتاز يا ولدي.
شكرا.
يلا اوكي حسن مصطفى. يلا عليك 52.
Tamam. 96 students have planned to go on a trip. If each bus has 22 seats, then what is the minimum number of buses needed to transport all of the students?
Yes. We need to find how many buses needed. Look here, we have how many students?
96.
So the first bus take 22. The second bus 22. Until you arrive 96. So 22.
That's 5 then.
Yeah, then it's 22. Is what? 88,
5.
right?
Yes.
So we need one more. Yes, we need one more also. So this the first, this one bus, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 88 plus 22. So we get it 5 buses. Right? There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, continue. Yeah, Hassan.
Tamam. A factory that produces 5,000 tissue boxes per week, how many does it produce per year?
Yeah, it's very easy. Factory that produces 5,000
Oh, to be
per week. Per week. So how many boxes in the year? So you ask first, how many weeks? How many weeks in a year? In Miladi, 52. In Hijri is 50. Okay? If you write it 50 or 52, you find the nearest number. So 50 weeks times 5,000.
Yeah, equals to 250,000.
Yeah, you put 4 zeros and 25 or 250,000. So the answer is A. Right, correct. Okay, 54. You know, Hassan, this? The 10th square. What is the 10th square? We first find it, analyzes the number
2 plus 5 plus 6.
2 to the power, I think, 8 times. 2 to the power 8. Then you can write it by another way. So will be 2 to the power, the inside exponent over the number of roots. So will be 8 over 10.
Okay.
Then you can put another way. So 2 to the power 0.8. So the answer is 8. Clear, Hassan? Clear?
Clear. Yes.
Okay, last one. I think it's easy for you. You can find it. What is it? Yalla, Hassan.
1 to the power 3021, and then 10 to the power would be 100, so it will be 1,000. So
This will
it'll
be 1 and this will be 1,000.
1,000. Yes.
So the answer is
B.
1001. It's B. Correct. Good job. ممتاز. Okay. 56 now. وشكرا يا حسين ما شاء الله عليك. تمام. صيام.
عفوا.
6.
What number is divisible by 8, 9, and 12 without a remainder?
يلا. كيف تعرف انه يقبل على 8؟ How
think
so divisible by 9, by 12?
for 9 we add all the
Right. We added.
add all of them, yeah.
Right.
So start with A.
We try it, A. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. It's divisible by 9 together. And here also 18, divisible by 9. 8, 6, 4 is 18, divisible by 9. ما سوى لنا شيء الحين النون.
All of them are divisible by 9.
نروح الحين لمين؟ إلى
8.
8. How you know 8?
8, we said that if the hundreds, the last 2 digits are odds or even.
Yeah, this, or you divided by 2 and 4. Pairs divided by 2. Is it 8 divisible by 2?
Wait,
No.
yes, wait, what?
Yeah, because
8.
it's odd number.
Yeah, okay.
Is it D
Well,
divisible?
why are we dividing by 2?
Because this 8 is 2 times 4. So you search this under 12 is 3 times 4. Should be the number divisible by 4 and by 3 and by 2.
Well, isn't for 8 we do that if the 100 digits is even, then the number formed by the last 2 digits is.
You can. Yalla, okay, what is the rule? If you know, that's fine. If the third is even, is 8, then the remainder will be divisible by 8.
If the 100 digits, yes.
Correct? So the answer is what?
B.
Is B.
Because D is not, the last 2 digits are not divisible by 8.
Yes.
And for C, the first digit is not even. Oh, it is, sorry. The last 2 digits are not divisible by 8. And on A, the first digit is not
Right, correct.
the
Look
first
here.
digit is not even, yeah.
Yes, I know. What's the rule here? The rule, we will review the rule for 8 here. Look here. There's the rule. So if the 100 digits is even, like this 100, like 6,
Yes.
the number formed, the last 2 digits must be divisible by 8. So 24 is divisible by 8. If the 100 digits is odd, like this, 3, obtained by the last 2 digits plus 4, said, must be divisible by 8. So,
Is there another way to find if it's divisible without doing all this?
yes, you can divisible by 2, then by 2, then by 2. 3 steps. Or divisible by 2,
So
then by 4. Okay, you divide it by 2 first, then the number will be divisible by 4. This I think,
can we do that with the question?
yeah. Now, 6 to 6 to 4. Is it divisible by 2? Right. What is the answer? Is it 3, 1, 4? It will be 2. Then the number here, is it divisible by 4? You see here 12. Yes, divisible by. So the first step divisible by 2. The second step will be divisible by 4. So it's divisible by 8.
Oh, okay.
Clear؟ يعني أول شيء أروح أقسمه على 2. إذا قسمته على 2 بيطلع لي جواب. هذا الجواب يقبل على 4 علشان يقبل على 8 لأن 8 عبارة عن 2 ضرب 4. Clear? Now my student.
Yes.
Good.
أستاذ
قولي بنت.
عادي ترسل ذيك الصفحة في الجروب عشان أنا بعدين أبغى أذاكر منها.
الكتاب موجود في الجروب.
صدق؟
إيه،
وين أحصل الكتاب؟
في الجروب نفسه. برسله إليكم مرة ثانية.
طيب
الكتاب
شكرا.
بربل ويا هذا المكتوب موجود مرسول لكم في الجروب. انت معانا في الجروب؟
إيه أنا موجودة بس إني ما شفت أي كتاب فما أعرف كيف يعني أحضر.
25 زين موجودة علشان انكم تقدروا تحلوا بالبي دي اف without يعني برنت بالكتاب يعني بالايباد وتحلوا. موجودة الحين. صار الايباد هو عبارة عن كراسة. تمام. يلا 57. يلا continue يا صيام.
Yes. If x is an odd number and y is an even number, which of the following is an even number?
What is the strategy I use?
I remember. Yeah, okay. So
ايش الاستراتيجية اللي نستخدمها؟ If I don't have any numbers, only variable, we say to replace variable by number. Right? X is an odd number.
yes.
We assume X is 1. Y is an even number.
X is 1,
Is 2.
2.
Then we substitute in the option.
A
2
is
to the power 1 equals
2. That's even.
yes, it is A, correct, because it's an even number. Correct, good. Yalla, 58 for you.
1 second. Just 1 second. Okay. 4 consecutive integers, the product of the first by the third is 15. What is the product of the second number by the fourth?
Yes. What doesn't mean for consecutive integers يعني ورا بعض. Consecutive integers أعداد ورا بعض يعني 2 3 4 5. يلا.
It's 24.
The product of the first هنا the product of the first and the third equals 15.
Can I draw them?
Yes.
Okay, so if the first number is 3,
3,
and the
right?
third number is 5,
Yes.
and that means the second number here should be 2.
2.
No, I mean 4, sorry, 4.
Yeah, it's 4.
And the fourth number should be 6.
6, right?
Then 4 times 6 equals 24.
يا سلام عليك. Good job. كده التفكير الصح. Good. يا سلام عليك. Here, then 2, 4, 5, 6. When you multiply 4 times 6 equals 24. Correct. Okay. يلا 59. Here, point 2 cube plus point 2 square plus point 2 plus 2. Here, point 2 cube, that's mean you multiply this 3 times. When you multiply by 3 times, will be point, oh, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So will be, yeah, 3 is 8 after 3 digits. And point 2 square, only we have 2 digits. So point 04 plus, and point 2 plus 2. We have 2 integers, and here in tens, and here in 100, here is 1,000. So the answer is B.
So as the exponent, the number of digits after the decimal.
Yeah, the exponent does mean repeated the number. You multiply 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. What about the decimal? How to write?
No, I mean, wait, because here it says 2 to the power of 3, 0.2 to the power of 3.
Yeah,
So you determined it was this based on the exponent because it's 3 digits.
yeah, 3 digits. This, yeah, 3 digits. Right, correct.
Because of the exponent.
Yeah, because the exponent, or you multiply. When you multiply, also the same rule. When you multiply, you counted this one decimal and one and one. You have 3. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, number 60. How many integers are between? If I didn't know, you divided first. 17 divided by 5, it will be 3 and more, right? Maybe 3.4. So between 4 and 77 over 4 is will be 19.25. So between 20 or between 19. So will be here 19 because we don't need more. How many integers will be? So 19 last minus 4 plus 1. So this formula, last minus first plus 1, you get 16 numbers. So the answer is 16 number.
Could you repeat this again?
Yeah, okay. You divided first. 17 over 5 is approximate 3.4.
I have to do long division.
Yeah, you divide it like this. 17 divided by 5 is 3. 15. You subtract. You put 0, put decimal. Then will be 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Clear?
Yes, okay.
Okay. 77 over 4, same. So the number between 4 and 90. So the last minus 4 plus 1.
Why did you say 4 and 9?
Because
Why
9.
not 3 and 9? 19. 3 and 19.
Yeah, no, not because he said between them. After 3.4, what is it? It's 4. because 3 is not belong the interval.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Between, said between, so we start from 4.
Mhm.
Okay, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. يلا try it. يلا ياسمين. Try it 15, Yasmin.
Okay. A dealer bought pens where the cost of 3 pens was 1.5. Then he sold each one by 1.5. The value of what the man sold was 15. How many pens did he buy?
Yes.
So 1 pen is 0.50.
Yeah, 15 divided by what? 1.5.
Okay. So
Yeah, this 15. Yeah, how divided? Only like this. Look, 15 divided 1.5
I
half.
think 5. He bought 5 pens.
Yeah, equals 10. You move this one.
It can be 5.
Yeah, here 15 because here a dealer bought. So 3 pens was what? 1.5,
5.
right? This is 1.5. So ben equals 0.5 because this is like 15. Clear? Is 0.5. The value of the man sold 15 reals. We divided, if you divide it by how many pens did he buy? It should be more,
He
right?
sold 10.
Yeah, would be
So the number he bought must be higher than 10.
yeah, because here. So the answer is not 10, right? We divided
Yeah.
by 0.5, right? Because the number is divided 15 divided the price of pen is 0.5. He said here, then he sold each one by 1.5. هنا يا جماعة أيوة بعدين if the value of what the man sold مو المفروض احنا نقسم على 1.5. هنا dealer bought pens where the cost of 3 pens was 1.5 يعني كلفه 0.5 بعدين راح باعه 1.5. If the value of what the man sold was 15, we divided by 10. My student, بقول 1.5 equals 10.
There's no way it's 10.
Yeah,
No, I think it's 5. Because, like, if he
How?
bought 1 pen by 0.5,
write it,
then he.
write in the board if you can.
I don't know how to write because I'm on a laptop, so I'm not, like, it's really hard to write using my laptop. But if he bought
Yeah,
5 pens for 0.5, then if he sold 5 pens for 1.5, then that's 15. Is it
He
not?
sold 1 for 1.5. So if he sold 10, that's 15.
yes,
Yeah, it says how much he bought, so it's more than 10. It's either 15 or 20.
look
He
here.
sold 10, so it can't be 5.
Yeah, he sold 10.
Yeah, it says how many did he buy, not sold.
How many pens did he buy? Yes. So will be what? Will
Either
be,
15 or 20.
yeah, sorry, because. So the answer is what here, my student?
I have no idea.
Then he sold each one by 1.5. Right. If the value what the man sold is 50 reals, how many pens did he buy? أنا لأن هنا اللي طالع لي is 10 pence. Right, I think this. Okay, I will check this answer before, but I will try the answer, okay? Wait, my student. 15, what's the 15? Try it 15. 15. The answer is C. Right, is 10. The answer is T. Correct. Yeah. The answer is 10. How did it depend on the book now? Because it like this. The answer is 10. So how many pens did he buy? 10 pens. Because he paid 50 riyal.
He sold 10 as well.
Yeah, he sold each one
For
by
1.5.
1.5.
So he sold 10.
Yes. Okay, we check it by ChatGPT then to analyze this question with you. Okay, we try it then to find the correct answer. Okay, now help me ChatGPT. Okay, we try it. And here, okay, wait, my student.
I don't think you can find the number of pens he bought by this question. I think it's unsuitable.
No, you can.
You can't because he could buy 100 pens and at the end of the day he sold 10. He doesn't say that he sold all of his pens.
No, I think they meant that he sold all the pens he bought. So that's why. Like if he sold like for 15
But that's not
riyals.
mentioned though. It doesn't say that he sold every single pen he bought.
Okay, but it also didn't say that he didn't.
Yeah, so you should assume that he didn't.
But I think that's obvious in the question that he did sell every single
I
pen.
honestly have no idea.
Because you don't just guess how many pens he sold unless they told you.
Yeah, he sold 10, but you don't know how much he bought. That's the question. But you can't decide how many he bought with the number he sold.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense.
Look now the ChatGPT will give me the idea. Look here. Cost of 3 pens, 1.5. So selling price, then this analysis 1.5. He said, find the number pens. Number of pens, total sales, 15. Offer price per pen, 1.5 is 10. Right. So he sold 10 pens. Step 2, find how many pens he bought. He sold all the pens he bought, so he bought 10 pens. Right, correct. Clear ahead?
Okay, yeah, I think there was a misunderstanding there because
Yeah.
he said he sold each one. Yeah, so yeah, Yasmin was right because that means he sold every single one. Yeah, that was mine.
Clear?
Yeah, okay, clear.
Good. اوكي عشان لان صار تاخر الوقت ترايت اذا اليوم ما بناخذ فربل ساكشن لان باقي علينا دي الصفحه نخلصها علشان بكره ناخذ شابتر 2. Okay, now try it number 16. Find the sum. How to find from 1 to 19? We have formula. What is the formula? Is if I want to find the sum equals n plus 1 divided by 2. This formula.
Sorry, we can't see your screen. We still see the chat GPT.
Oh, sorry. So the answer here. Okay, thank you. Okay, now, so the sum from here, find the sum from 1 to 19. So sum equals n plus 1 over 2. N is the last number, is 19. So 19 times 20 divided by 2. You simplify, is 1 is 10. 19 times 10 is 190. This, use formula n times the next number over 2. Okay, number 72. The greatest value. Which one is the greatest value, my student?
Wait,
First,
what was the answer for the one above? I
yeah,
just need
the answer is 190.
190. Yeah, okay, 190.
Okay, number 70.
Yeah, okay, you can move on.
The greatest value here will be 1 over 8 time, flip the fraction to, when you simplify, so will be fourth. So here is fourth. Okay, now the second one, be 3 over 5 time, flip the fraction, 3 over 5 will be 9 over 25. And this 13 over 22. And 18 also is over 48. Okay, we comparing with half. This will be fourth less than half, right? And this is also less than half. Here, less than half, except this greater than half, because the half of 22 is 12, but then
11.
greater than half. So this the greatest, right? So it's C. Okay? So when comparing مع بالhalf. Okay, 73. Which of the following is divisible by 5, 3, and 7? But if we divide it by 11, the remainder is 4. يلا كلهم ينقبلوا على 5. باقي على 3 we add it. 1 plus 5 is 5. إذن هذه ما يقبل. 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. إذن هذا ما يقبل. How divisible by 7? We take, we cancel the odd number and you subtract from the back. This will be 24. 24 not divisible by 7. So we cancel this. So the answer is what? Is B. Because divisible by 7, by 5, by 3. Okay, 74. Division to convert to multiplication. 1 over 5 time 5 over 3 time, also here 1 over 7 time 21 over 1. Then we simplify 5 with 5 will be 1 over 3 time. You divided here, 7 divided by 7 is 1. By 7 is 3. So time 3. Simplify also, you get 1. Clear? Okay, now 75. How many even numbers between 1 and 19? Even and odd will be divided by 2. If I have 10 numbers, so even is 5 numbers, odd is 5 numbers. And like this, so will be 1 and 99. So 99 minus 1 divided by 2, divided by 2, So will be 49. Clear? 49 even number.
Is that the one he said last minus first or something?
What is it?
You said there was a specific formula.
No,
Last.
it's the sum.
Oh, there's not.
Sum. From 1
Oh,
to
some.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now try it here, 18. Find x here, please, my student. What will I do here? Because negative, you take common factor. The least common factor will be 2 to the power 49. What is the remainder will be here? Is 2 minus 1 equals 2 to the power x. 2 minus 1 is 1. We cancel 2 with 2. So x equals 49. Okay, which of the
So
following
what's about the brackets? Do we just leave it the way it is?
minus 1 equals 1?
Oh, okay, okay.
Like 2 to the power 49 times.
Yeah, okay. I got it.
Okay, try it, number 19. Which of the following can be the sum of the two consecutive odd numbers? So we divide it by 2. So if you divide it by 2, then you get 286. So 572 divided by 2 equals 286. So will be the consecutive number. This the average. We find it the average. So will be 285, and the next number, because said consecutive odd number, so 287. So the answer is A. Okay, last one, my student. A number that if we divide it by 2, 3, or 4, remainder would be 1. Which of the following number does not satisfy this condition? If said remainder 1, we subtract 1 first from all. Then we check the number. So minus 1 equals 28. Then 24, 12, 36, 28 divisible by 2. 3, this divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3, except this 28, not divisible by 3. So the answer is 29. Okay, my student, inshallah tomorrow, ناخد chapter 2. Thank you very much. I will send the file, Yasmin. Do you understand, my student? Clear?
No, it's okay. You don't have to send it. I went on the group chat and I found it.